Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install NVIDIA drivers in Windows and also fix corrupted drivers. If this video helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you suspect that your GPU driver is corrupted, follow these steps. Head over to search, type in Device Manager and click on it. Once you're in Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Find your graphics card, right-click on it and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab and click on Rollback Driver. If this option is grayed out like it is for me, don't worry, we will move on to the next step. Step 2. Download GeForce Experience or NVIDIA app. I already have it downloaded, but if you don't, then download and install that first. Once GeForce Experience is installed, open it and go to the Driver tab. Click on Check for updates to ensure your graphics card drivers are up to date. After updating, just restore your computer. Once you have done all that, your GPU driver should be fixed. This was for today's tutorial. If this video was helpful, then don't forget to subscribe and like this video.